Good evening all of you. Welcome back once again to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about your AP set upcoming examination. As you all know that we are not having any PYQ sort of thing for our Andhra Pradesh psychology set examination. Alright. So it seems like the examination of this psychology AP set is happening for the first time, but there's a twist in the train and we are going to board it shortly. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Make sure you subscribe it, make sure you like it, and you share it with your Andhra Pradesh from Vizag to Rayalaseema, your friends of psychology AP set. So finally, here it is. We found something. Previous year paper of Andhra Pradesh set 2012 psychology paper number 2. So for that, we are thankful to this sakshieducation.com.in, whatever it is. So you want to have this PDF, you can visit on the website and you can check it for this PDF. All right. Okay. But before moving ahead, what we are going to talk about that your exam is scheduled on 28th of April. So this PDF, this video might help you out for your upcoming examination, and as well as what are the important points and what are the important topics that you must not miss out. Will You will be able to figure it out from this PDF. So make sure that now we are just one day away from the examination. So make sure you ASAP do the PDF download thing and you watch this video. Alright, so this paper is of 2012, approximately 12 year back. Things have been so much difficult or not. Question number 1, when we look out of the window of a train, objects outside appear to be moving at different speeds. Objects closer to us move in opposite directions. Objects at a far distance seem to move in our direction. This is called, what is this is? This is your motion parallax. This is not phi phenomena. Phi phenomena given by Max Wertheimer. And this is not kinetic illusion, and this is not also depth perception. Depth perception can be seen in a baby as well as that experiment. If you can remember that cliff one where this thing happened, the tablecloth was kept and the child was crawling from here to here, and when he saw or she saw that there was no tablecloth, he can or she can figure out that this is something related to depth. So depth perception can be seen in babies as well. All right. Okay, so the answer over here is your motion parallax. Now moving on to, and you can find this thing in your NCRT. All right, so this is taken from NCRT, but in 2012 this paper was asked, so be careful of that they might improve the level of questions because it is 12 years we are ahead now of this exam paper. All right. Okay, the topics might be same: behaviorism, observational learning, bandura, everything will be same, but still. Assertion, reason, behaviorists viewed psychology as a science of behavior. Yes, exactly, absolutely right. They view as a science of behavior, nothing else. That no consciousness, no child's, what we can say, trauma or repressed trauma, anything. Behavior could be objectively described in terms of stimulus and response. Yes, everything is S and R. Behaviorism states that. So option number 1 is correct over here. Both A and R are individually true, and R is the correct explanation of A. All right. Okay, moving on to next question. Which of the, till now the question seems okay. Which of the mnemonics are used for improvement of memory? Imagery, method of loci, organization. So what we do is option number 1, A, 1 and 2, imagery and method of loci, not for organization. All right, next question, identify the correct sequence. Now this is an interesting question. The correct sequence is, so we are having law of acquisition, law of higher order conditioning, law of extinction. So we have to arrange it by the correct sequence. So what will happen is the child or whatever the person is, he or she, or if it is an animal, what he or she will do, she will first acquire. So law of acquisition works first. So law of acquisition is here as well as here, and so option C and D are never going to be the answer. Law of acquisition, after that law of higher order condition or law of extinction. Law of extinction will be once the learning is stopped and there is no more stimulus present in the environment, there is no more classical condition stimulus available there, so there will be no response from the dog or human or man, person, whatever it is, and then there will be extinction of the learning which was associated with this condition stimulus. All right, so law of acquisition, law of extinction, this option also gets eliminated. So the correct answer over here is law of acquisition Firstly, the dog acquired that after the bell will ring, I will do what? I will do saliva response. Then law of higher order conditioning, the bell was projected as a neutral stimulus and all that. Then law of discrimination, the dog was able to discriminate between the sound of the bell and that the sound of a metronome or ringtone, whatever it is. And then law of extinction, for once the conditioning is over, there was nothing more after that. So the option is one is correct over here. Then match the following. Options are given as Kohlberg, Erickson, Sheldon, Bandura, and body type approach, social learning, psychosocial development, and moral development. So looks simple still. Bandura, social learning; Sheldon, body type approach; Erickson, psychosocial development; Kohlberg, moral development. Kohlberg's moral development, 3 stages: pre-conventional, post-conventional, conventional, and Erickson's 8 stages, and importantly, adolescent stages, identity versus role confusion and all that. And in Bandura, social learning, reciprocal determinism, and all of that. I hope you are getting what I am trying to convey. After that, innate species specific complex chain of behavior is termed as, it is termed as reflexes, habits, instincts, and aptitudes. It is instinct, because innate species specific complex chain of behavior, that are our instincts. After that, question number 7, again match the following. Simple question again. First option is emotional intelligence, Raymond Cattell, Robert Sternberg, Daniel Goleman. 1C. Are we having any other option? No. Option number 3 is the correct answer over here. 1C, 2A, fluid intelligence to Raymond Cattell, intrapersonal intelligence and componential intelligence. So intrapersonal goes with Robert Sternberg along with the triarchic thing, and Gardner goes with the multiple stages of, not stages, multiple intelligence. After that, question number 8, neither trait nor type theory can explain total personality. Yes. Personality is the interactive effect of individuality and environment. Yes. But it is not something related to each other. Assertion and reason are different. So the correct answer will be both A and R are true. Both of them are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Moving ahead, question number 9. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the standard normal distribution? Normal distribution, it is also called the Z distribution. Okay. The mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. Okay. Mean, median and mode are the same, and D, all of the above. So yes, all of them are correct. So make sure that for the upcoming examination you read NPC, normal probability curve, very thoroughly. It is bimodal, unimodal, or what it is. Then which of the following are included in the Gestalt principles of perceptual organization? Figure ground, proximity, continuity, good form, and what it will be: continuity, good form, closure, facilitation. All right, so facilitation, why this facilitation is here, why not Vygotsky is related over here? They are asking about Gestalt, so facilitation cancels out, option number 4 cancels out, so this will not going to be an answer, option number 4. Now 1 and 2, 1 2 3, and 2 and 3. So now with this you can just assume, or you just can be sure that now 2 is going to be the answer. Definitely 2 proximity, continuity, and good form is the answer over here, but now we have to match other things as well. So 1 and 2, 1 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So figure ground, yes. Figure ground, proximity, continuity, yes. 1 will also be the answer. Proximity, continuity, good form, yes. Continuity, good form, closure. Because of the closure we will include the third one as well, because it is not covered in any two of these. Alright, so correct answer will be option number C, 1 2 and 3. And the last question, question number 12, the stimulus that was originally neutral and comes to be a response producing is unconditional stimulus, conditioned stimulus, reinforcement, none of the above. Again an easy question. Option number B, conditioned stimulus will be the correct answer. It is asking about the CS. Earlier the bell was a neutral stimulus, but once the conditioned response started producing, now CS becomes the unconditioned stimulus, because unconditioned stimulus is the food still. So for 12th, option number B is the correct answer. Alright, okay, so that's all for now. We have discussed 10 to 12 questions, 11 questions approximately, and what it is there is that you must go through the NCRT properly once, okay, because all the questions so far were directly from your NCRT, so NCRT becomes important for you. So make sure that you are thorough with NCRT at least once. Apart from that, whatever books you are referring, whatever thing you are reading, do it properly. And now you can go to this website and download 2012 paper and solve these 40-50 questions, whatever they are, and make notes or make key points for the highlight the areas from where they have asked questions previously. And more on the same lines, they will ask the question again. And if you are appearing for this time, make sure that you don't forget to send the paper, so that we can analyze it and we can discuss the answer keys as well, and it will be helpful for the upcoming students of Andhra Pradesh set psychology AP set 2025. So all the best once again, all of you who are appearing, all the power to you, all the set, no, all the best, and see you all soon in the next video. We will discuss something about another thing, something about anything. And thanks for now. See you all, take care. If you have any doubts, anything, don't forget to comment down below, right? Okay, and don't forget to share with your AP set friends as well. Thank you.